Good afternoon, lads and lasses. It's Angus Haggis here. It's come to my attention that not many of you are following the ancient Scottish tradition of starting your bikes at the start of spring. Now, I want you to know, back in the 1700s, the lads back in Scotland would bring their hogs out and they'd start them up right at 4:20. But after a while, we had to change it in the 1800s to 5:20 because of Bob Marley. Now, remember this. We need you all to start your bikes the first day of spring at 5:20. No bullshit, okay. Now, start them if you got them.